All right, let's talk about the Norwex grout brush attachment. Now, we all know that cleaning grout is time consuming, it's a chore, it's hard on our hands, our bodies, our backs, but we deserve a solution that is easier, right? And it's free of harmful chemicals. Using those products that burn our nose hairs, they coat our floors, our surfaces in harmful chemicals, and they absorb into our bodies. And besides that, who knows if those ingredients could even be damaging our grout and tile. It's not worth the risk. And what happens is not worth the time and typically will go undone. We can make very quick work of grout cleaning with the grout brush attachment. You can attach it to either the telescopic mop handle or the multi-use handle and use it with any Norwex home care cleaner of your choice to safely and efficiently and quickly scrub your grout back to life. And no harmful chemicals are needed in the process. I love the grout brush. It's long lasting. It has high quality bristles. It really holds up well against tough grout stains and the muck without breaking or falling out. The bristles aren't falling out or shedding, and it also doesn't damage the tile. The super scrubbing bristles in the middle of the brush, they scrub away the stains from the grout, while the slightly softer outside bristles scrub away dirt and debris without scratching our surfaces. It does hold up to intense scrubbing action though, which I love. It doesn't fold under pressure when I really got to get in there and do some dirty work, which I have experienced with low quality, less expensive models. Now, what is really neat about this is that it also contains Norwex Backlock, which is our microsilver agent. It's natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. It's in the outer blue bristles, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Now, a lot of my customers really love this. It attaches easily to the durable telescopic mop handle or your multi-use handle. It has a nice large size, and it also has a swivel design of 180 degrees, which gives you quicker, frustration-free cleaning around things like corners and grooves. The adjustable handle and swivel design also means less aches and pains for our back, our hands, all the things, right? And we don't even need to get on our hands and knees to clean the grout anymore. You can attach it to the Norwex mop handle to get all the hard to reach areas. It is made from recycled materials, which is better for the planet. It has a cool V-shaped design. The bristles allow us to get in deeply to the grooves and all the hard to reach areas. I also love that it's lightweight and detachable for easy storing. So it's easy to use. You just attach it to the telescopic mop handle or your multi-use handle and attach it until the push buttons lock into the holes. If you're using it with the Norwex mop handle, you can adjust the mop handle to your desired height, which is fantastic. And it is not, I will note, it's not for use with the spray mop attachment. So if you have the spray mop attachment on your mop handle, you're going to want to disconnect that before putting on the grout brush. You can also pair this easily with any of the Norwex cleaners of choice. We have a great descaler, bathroom cleaner. Also, our probiotic hard surface cleaner concentrate works wonders. I love using our bright and white laundry and home booster to clean my tile and grout. Really gives me great cleaning power. Once your scrubbing is complete, you simply rinse it off, and you could also use your Norwex Enviro cloth or even the wet mop pad to wipe away any dirt and debris that you loosened up. And then you rinse the brush out after each use and allow it to dry, and that silver is going to continue doing its job.